We are back with a trading recap video. It is May 10th, 2024, 7:28 a.m. New York session. We took two losses today on GU. I'm just gonna explain the setup and everything like that, and just go over why I took it and why I got it in the trade. And that'll be pretty much it for this video. This is a Friday. Okay, get to the session. We have London's low right here, and then London's high is way up here, right around here. And I really just want to see a continuation to the downside on London. Honestly, we have been making a little downtrend right here. And what I wanted to see was when we traded when 7 o'clock happened, which was right here. Created a 5 minute fair value gap with overlapping with an order block right there that made price go lower from right there. So I'm dropping down to the 2 minute. Now I'm just trying to see a setup because we failed to continue higher right here, and we failed to take out these highs right here. So I'm like, okay, bet, perfect. So we made a 2 minute fair value gap right there and 2 minute fair value gap right there, and I'm like, okay. So I'm not gonna enter. I was really waiting on this one to get tagged into to go short, but that one never got tagged into. And then what I did was I just dropped down to the 2 minute real quick. 1 minute. Putting down a order block right there, and then also it was a 2 minute fair value gap right there. So I'm alright bet. Going to enter off this and then just continue lower. And what ended up happening was I actually took a short right here, like literally right here, two shorts like I normally do. Stop like right here, tight stop. Got stopped out right there for like 1.5%. Then I took another short right here because it took out these highs. And I was like, okay, but we're failing to create new highs right here. Right there. So I took a short right here into this fair value gap. Stops right there. Got stopped out again for a total loss of today of 5%. Wait, no. Yes, I was risking like around 2.5% on both trades. And it was kind of heavy for this day. But yeah, 2%, 2.5%, and total losses 5% on. 5% on a day. This is one of my biggest losses of the year. Now we're gonna stop this from happening by over trading. I was over trading, and then I was coming into the mindset with freaking revenge trading. After I had that one loss, I'm like, okay, but let me just wait for another setup. And I was like, all right, let me see if I see a setup, then I'm gonna take it and then call it a day. And then what ended up happening was I just over traded. Overtraded and revenge traded on this trade right here, which ended up costing me a lot. So, but that's gonna be it for this video right here because got a lot of stuff to do, a lot of stuff to work on, especially with this trade. Overall, it was a bad trade, a bad setup, bad mindset, and everything like that. Like it was just everything was just plan went out the window. Everything went out the window, literally. And I always I always like be like just saying like, all right, stick with our plan, stick with the game plan, and don't overtrade and don't over like leverage and risk. And that's what I did today, and it costed me 5% of my account. So right now I'm just gonna write down everything, journal everything, and then just go over it, and then go about the day. Don't get stuck over the loss, or don't try to like trade a lot. After I take a loss, a big loss, but like after I take a big win or a big loss, I always like just reflect on it, write it down, journal, and then just close my computers, close everything out, and then just don't look at the charts no more for that day. Because what you're gonna do is you're gonna be like, okay, but I see another setup right here. Let me just trade it real quick, try to get a little bit more money back. And that's just gonna create bad habits where you're just gonna be over trading, over leveraging, or revenge trading for your entire career. But I think that'll be it for this video right here. Thank you guys for watching.